Oh, fuck, wrong part. Oh na na, oh na na, ay. Oh na na, oh na na, ay. Oh na na, oh na na. Oh wait, this is cooked. Wait, because it's trying to share the. Oh, that's low-key annoying. Okay, okay. No cameras out, please. I want to eat in peace. All right, one sec. So low-key, I was doing something earlier. I was doing some stats. I'm gonna top off this for now. Okay, so this is basically what we're gonna do to stream, I think. Right, I was thinking initially, right, why don't we just hop on some BS, right? Let's hop on some stats or something, right? I'm not thinking that it's going to be possible currently. Oh, sorry, what I was gonna do is I was just gonna keep making notes. GD, I'm not playing GD. JJ. Okay, cool. So. Look, Brody. Look, Brody. Okay, so 80A papers. I actually haven't. I know of them. I think I've seen videos on them. Left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder. Look. What's up, Arif? I got a 9 in physics and chem. I'm gonna have to apply to Oxford now. God. You gotta achieve the 9 and 5 though. Don't forget. Okay. What did I say this? I need to rename this. Would I want to study uni maths? I have an Oxford maths offer. What do I have to call it? Why my brain not working? No. Oh, okay. Notes from textbooks. Okay, cool. Oh, I got a problem. I don't know if it might change. Okay, what are we doing now, boys? Stats paper? I think stats paper is where it's at. Forever. Keep falling in love. Well, yeah, I mean, you know, it's the bare minimum for Oxford, but still. I don't know, because I haven't even learned normal distribution yet. That's the issue. I can do everything in stats apart from normal distribution. Yeah. It's the same damn time. How much revision do you do in a week on average? I don't know. It's like the only thing I haven't learned, MJ. Okay. Chill out. I don't know. My school does stuff in a weird order. So I've learned all of further maths and all of maths. How does your school do? Because further maths and maths are separate classes. I learned all of the A-level maths required to do further maths. So I did all of further maths. Bam. The whole thing, right? And then we've done all of pure A-level maths. And then we've also done most mechanics year 2, but we've covered a lot of it in further mech 1. And then stats is like the last thing. But my class right now is doing, I think, kinematics and shit. Like, yeah. It's time for the maths and physics, like an hour a week in revision each. No. I don't think an hour a week is not enough. I don't think. Per week is crazy. That's not mind. We do both in the same class. Yeah, that's the thing is, I go to a very non-selective school. So, if they wanted to do that, they would be basically dedicating 2 separate classes for like 6 people. It wouldn't be worth it. I do maths, economics, computer science, further maths. Okay. So, we just look at... We could just do a corporeal paper. Brother, I'm ass at integrals. What school do I go to? Brother, I'm not going to just say my whole school. George Green's school. Anyways. Okay, let me try daily integral. Okay, one sec. I'm ass at integrals, by the way, guys. Okay. The fuck is a HSC student? Forever is too long. Let's try the beginner one. Okay. Beginner integral. Okay, I understand. Oh, guys, it's all over. It's all over. So, what? 1 over 3 multiplied by 2x plus 1 cubed. So, 1 over 3 multiplied by... So, what? 9 minus 1? 8? Dark. Hot. Niche integral shit. Okay. Wait, it's my brain work. Wait. Okay, increase the power by 1. Okay. So we're gonna have... Oh, I've got to divide by 6. Okay, so it's over 6, so it's 9. Yeah, it's over. So what, should it be 4? I'm just trying shit, I can't lie. Okay. Do substitution. I don't need to do sub. Okay, hold on, 1 sec. Fuck, it's over. Yo, I'm doing it on paper, okay? I don't care. With my maths books. Textbooks, questions by topic, maths book. Okay. You know this stuff already. No, but I've got to, like, practice because I haven't done integrals in forever. Okay, so I increase the power, which give me 3. And then, so it should be 1 over 6, open bracket, 2x plus 1 cubed, right? 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 Unit of offer holder there, I don't know. Okay, so it should be 1 over 6, open bracket, what? 3 cubed, which is 27, minus 1 cubed, which is 1. So it should be 26 over 6, which is equal to, what, 13 over 3? 13 over 3 is 4 1/3, so it should be 4.33. Okay, great, fine. Fine, I just need a paper. Yo, chill out, okay? We're doing daily integral, so we got to start at the easy one, okay? We got to work our way up. There's levels to this, okay? I'm at the bottom level. This is cooked, by the way. Good job, thank you. Oh, I'm cooked. Oxford Maths offer holder, by the way. That's how cooked I am. This is not a good job. This is, like, terrible. Okay. Okay, integral between 0 and 1 of 2x e to the x squared dx, right? Okay. So it's e to the x squared, basically, between 0 and 1. So e to the... Oh, shit. E to the x squared evaluated between 0 and 1. DI method. I just use normal integration by parts. You got the offer, so believe in yourself. Yeah, I believe in myself, don't worry. But I need to practice. So it's equal. So e minus 1. So e is equal to 2.71 828182845904523536 as far as I know. How many decimal places do I need, guys? How many decimal places do we need? I'm clip farming, bro. 1.72 should be the answer. Great. Let's go. Why I clip farm there, man? That's low genuinely getting clipped though. We're not gonna lie. Don't come here, bro. TS not worth it. I'm going, bro. It's worth it. Don't worry. Because even if you're going through shit right now, at least you're going to get employed at the end, you know? Type shit. So wait. Damn. So the integral between 1 and e of sine of ln x dx. Have I ever completed all levels? No, not even. Do I have an Apple pen? No, I have like an off-brand pen. It's called the Meta pen. It was really cheap. Okay, so let's try use sub. Okay, cool. So u equals ln x. Du is equal to 1 over x dx. So we're gonna get the integral of between e and 1 of sine u multiplied by 1 over x dx. Well, if du is so it should be, e to the u equals x, so it should be sine u e to the negative u du. Oh shit, du. Okay, change balance. Oh yeah. Don't worry. I was gonna do that after. Okay, when I realized I got the question wrong. Okay, I was actually no, I was gonna convert it back at some point. This is a daily integral. Should I buy good notes? I just use good notes. I like it. It's good. Odd limits. Cyclic integral, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, good notes is worth it, Emma. I find it really helpful. But I don't know. I haven't tried the alternatives. Okay. So integral between e and 1 of sine u e to the u negative u du. Okay, well let's let so IBP. Oh sorry, x equals fine. Huh? The only vector is very nice. What do you mean it's x du? Really? Du by dx. Du by dx is equal to x. Oh, it should be x dx. Thank you. So it should be e to the u, right? Okay, thank you. Appreciated. It is A level. It should be x du. Yeah, that seems correct. Thank you. No, isn't wait. Okay, wait. Du by dx is equal to x. No, wait. What the fuck are you yapping about? Wait. Yo. No, that's BS. Wait, why am I listening to chats? What would your advice be to get A star in standard A level maths? Just revise it all in advance and then practice realistically. What school do I attend, and also what uni's offers do I have? I attend George Green's. I have Oxford, Bath, and Queen Mary, and I'm waiting for Imperial and Warwick. Could I learn all of A level maths in a month, 6 hours a day? Yeah, probably. Wait. Okay, people are like debating it. Okay, wait. Oh yeah. Don't worry. No, I tried to correct it because a viewer told me it's the other way. Right. Yeah, fine. I think this is correct, right? Yeah. Okay. Great. Fine. How do I learn integrals in year 10? Go on Bison Maths on YouTube. Learn differentiation first, and then learn integration. Learn year 12 differentiation, then year 13 differentiation, then year 12 integration, and year 13 integration. Emerge. Oh, fuck. Emerge. This is W Rage Mate, by the way. So I'm definitely checking it. Do make sure to enjoy it, I will. Are we doing a checklist on the spreadsheet? I can't be asked to do the spreadsheet, I can't lie. The checklist is fine. How can I learn long multiple? What the fuck is long multiplication? Should you use AI to study? Can't hurt. I don't. It's not really worth it. How much of year 2 have you learned? All of further maths, and like all of pure A-level maths, minus some like basic shit. When I got the math, I don't know. XD, you have to multiply the x. Okay. Oh. Fuck, I'm an idiot. Maybe we'll just quit, boys. I can't lie. Maybe the journey's over. Maybe the dream's over. And maybe I got to stop reading fucking chat. How hard is year 13 trigger identities? Not that bad. Number 1 tip for learning content? I don't know. Just invest time in that. What subjects, maths, econ, comp sci, maths? I apologise, Emerge. I apologise heavily. I'm so sorry. I will attempt to better myself in the future. Yeah, Excel brush tutor, maths, econ, comp sci finance. Okay. So, the integral between, what is it, e and 1 of sine u, okay. So wait, this is wrong, right? Wait. Okay, dx. Okay, x du is equal. Oh. Good one, yeah? Yeah, that was funny, I can't lie. Okay. So, e to the u equals x. Okay. So, fuck me. Why am I actually fucking this up so bad? E to the u du. Okay, great. X equals. Okay, fine. Multiply both sides by x. What do you mean? Oh yeah, bro. I'm so fucked. Okay. X equals e. U equals 1. X equals 1. U equals 0. So it's the integral between 1 and 0 of sine u e to the u. Okay. And then we just found integration by parts until we see a pattern, right? Okay, great. So, IBP. We're gonna have the integral of uv prime is equal to uv minus vu prime integrated. Okay. So u equals sine u. V prime u prime equals cos u. Diff method is massive. Yeah, W mod. Holy, let me know when it's an econ paper. I actually am going to do econ paper today, I think. I feel like it'd be fun. Okay. U equals, okay, so we're going to have is equal to e to the u sine u minus the integral of, what is it? Wait, uv prime minus vu prime. Okay, vu prime, so e to the u cos u. Okay, now again, same thing. Never seen you do econ. I've never done it on thing. UVD, you're going fast, I'm slow. I'm slower than most viewers of this stream, I can't lie. Call me on Snap when it's time, yeah, don't worry. Never seen me do, yeah, I don't do it on stream. I usually do uplearn, so yeah, I haven't actually done a past paper for econ, I just do it in class. Where we do past papers and stuff, but still. It'd be good to try and do it. Oxford maths holder, bro, you're not so... I'm not saying I'm slow as in, like, I'm stupid. I'm saying I'm slow as in I actually take time to do things a lot of the time. Because when I don't, I make a lot of mistakes. I've realised that's definitely my biggest issue. I remember I did a mock interview, which some, like, charity basically got me to do. The Elephant Group, they got me into it. And, the thing I was told was, you go way too fast. Or not way too fast, like, you go too fast... and you make a lot of little errors because of it. Try and slow down yourself like 10% and then you'll be good. I have an offer for Oxford, Orland. Yeah, okay. So, integral of e to the u cos u. Where we're going to let u equal cos u, v prime equals e to the u, v equals e to the u, and u prime is equal to negative sine u. Okay. And so now we're going to get e to the u sine u minus, what is it, uv? So minus cos u, e to the u, plus the integral of vu prime, which would be minus again, so we're going to minus it back. E to the u sine u. What uni did I apply to? Oxford, Imperial. Oh yeah, Oxford, Imperial, Warwick, Bath, Queen Mary. Is that connected to my PC? No, it's wireless. Well, yeah, it is wirelessly. Yeah. I have like a thing called AirPlay Mirror, which basically allows me to do this. I've been airing all my other chats. I really hope nobody's been talking in YouTube or Twitch, because I've been an arsehole. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Beast Boy. I apologise. I'm an asshole. All I know is that 3 + 2 = 7. My bad. Dumb. When did I learn all the further maths content? Mostly late year 12. I got into further maths in April. So I had AS content in 5 weeks, and then everything else I did over like the summer and stuff. Okay. So what we're saying here is that the integral of e to the u sine u du is equal to e to the u sine u minus cos u e to the u, right? Minus e to the u sine u integrated. Is this correct, or have I fucked something up? Okay, wait, let me just check. My signs are correct here. So u prime, yes. So we're going to have negative, negative, and negative. So that should be negative. Math, I don't know. Do I play OSU? Yes. I'm 4-digit. I'm like 1,600. Given you're an OSU content creator, I'm going to read my PC. My PC is signed by a bunch of players. I'll tell you who I've met just because it's cool. I've met Plasma, Malashevsky, who else? Bunch of guys from different like OWC teams. Listia, Skiazzo. I've met basically the whole OWC team apart from Macaulay because he doesn't show up to lands. Wait, Raj, he was there. Mahmood was there. I met a lot of UK players, basically, which is cool. Anyways, okay, so now we're gonna have 2e to the u sine u integrated is equal to e to the u sine u minus e to the u cos u. Okay, and so now we're going to have e to the u sine u integrated du is equal to e to the u over 2 sine u minus cos u. And so we're integrating between the bounds of 0 and 1, if I'm correct. Nah, I'm British. I don't even think we have Ohio State here. No, I am. I'm from London. Yeah. No, I'm an OSU player who loves maths. So, yeah, I don't care about any of the US stuff. Yeah, Oxford all the way. I got an offer from them, so yeah. We'll see. Hopefully I get in. Okay, so I'm integrating between 0 and 1, right? Yeah, so 0 and 1. Fuck. 1 and 0. Great. Is this a medium daily integral? I think so. Yeah, medium. Okay, so it's equal to, what is it? E over 2, open bracket, sine 1 minus cos 1, what would it be? Minus 0 plus 1, right? Okay, and then I guess just put this into the calc slang for calculator. We'll use radians because we're not babies. So we're going to do e to the 1 divided by 2, open bracket, sine 1 minus cos 1 plus 1. I get 1.77. Two significant figures. Oh, I forgot. Fuck. Okay, what mistake did I make? 1.768. Great. Is it minus sine u? What do you mean? Maybe. Wait. So it should be, okay. So the first integration by parts is correct, I think. So, uv minus, cool. The second one The 0 and 1 aren't multiplied by each of the u. Oh no, the 0 and 1 are just parts from... W answer? Yeah, may as well try it, right? I don't think doubling my answer would help though. I mean, I'll try it 3.54, but I don't think that'll work. Yeah, no. Oh, do I have limited time? Or limited, like, attempts? I took 2 out of the integral. Each of the 1 over 2. Oh, shit. Okay. It's the last bit. The 0 and 1, yeah, so the 0 and 1 are just the sine and cos, but evaluated at 0. Multiplied by 1, not 1 over 2, not e over 2. Why not? Because here I've got, okay, I'll pull out my pointer. So here I've got this, right? And I've evaluated it to be equal to this. And then oh, I see. I see. Silly me. Hi, Zuzia. I'll see you at Oxford next year. Yeah, maybe not at this rate. Okay, cool. So let's go. Okay. Yeah, that was an idiot move from me. Thank you for pointing it out, chat. Thank you for the assistance. I have now not beaten the daily integral today because it was cheated, but it's fine. It's my first one. So, yeah. Plus 1 over 2. Yep, great. Yeah. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. So e over 2 plus 1 over 2. Is there any mistakes I've made here? I think we're fine. I've got 0.91. Great, we got you. I'm in East London, yes, Edelscar. Edelscar? That feels a bit questionable. Let's go! Only took me 18 fucking minutes. What site is this? That site is called Daily Integral. It's very popular in the maths talk sort of sphere. Yeah, great website. Should we check the hard one? Because I don't think I'm going to be able to do this yet. What the fuck is this on my screen? Anyways. So I had to clip farm. That's a little cheeky clip farm, I can't lie. That is low genuinely going on the TikTok. Had to clip farm, boys. Okay, what next? So I'm going to read through my textbooks real quick, right? Because I have, obviously, the textbooks on my iPad. I'm going to do an easy one and get it right first try. I won't get it right first try. That's the thing. I'm going to fuck it up somehow. Okay, let me just close everything on my iPad because I've got a bunch of stuff open. Okay. I'm thinking we're going to open up the one of these textbooks and do something. Have I got my mocks coming? I already did them in December. Oi. Yeah, December one. Okay. So I'm going to try and get all the mixed exercise done at some point. Which year? Year 13. Okay. Thank you for the follow, Sacred. I'm going to turn on notifications again for follows because I forgot to, Loki. Thought I was dead. Bitch, I've been trapped in a zoo. Predict grades A star, A star, A star, A star. 4 A stars. Maths, econ, comp sci, further maths. Come. So let's go for... Let's check this. Is there anything in here that I need to check over? Yeah, the main arrange. We can do that another time. W Spotify playlist, thank you. Right now I'm literally just listening to the full album of Chromacopia. I actually saw this live. It was amazing. I think on my Tinder account I have a picture of me at this fucking concert. Where did you download the textbooks from? Reddit. I just searched maths past paper I searched up Oxford. No, not. Why did I search up Oxford? I searched up just A-level maths textbooks. Download. Tinder. Times are tough, man. Times are tough. Anyways. Okay, I was thinking maybe some vectors. Oh, no, vectors. Yeah, vectors. What do we think about vectors? Can you download it straight onto GoodNotes? Yes and no. I think if you download the Google Maps, not the Google Maps, the Google Drive app, then you can do that. You can, but you have to like open it, close it, all of that shit. Like it's a headache, but you can download it straight into it. Yeah. Wish I was smart as you. I would wish higher. I can't lie. Bro, wish to be on like some Newton level, you know. If you're gonna make a wish to a genie, just don't put my name in there because it's just like -4 aura. Okay. So I'm thinking we're just gonna go for the questions in the mixed exercise that I was going over earlier. AS? This isn't all AS. Some of it is, some of it isn't. Okay, I think I got this one wrong. I enjoyed doing one of these questions. Where was it? Yeah, this question's interesting. I just got it wrong. Okay. Admin Tinder. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm doing the economics past paper, right? Should I just do that? What do we think, guys? Economics past paper or would economics past paper be cool? Do econ? Alright, fuck it, we do econ. I'm low-key buns at econ, by the way. Right, it's in the economic... Send me the Discord link. Oh, yeah, I'll send it. I'm getting a lot of, like, friend requests in Discord. It's quite odd. Okay, I'm joining general. One second, Zayfa. I'm sending you the thing right now. Okay, cool. I think we're good here. Anyways, you should be able to join, Hazefa. Why are you doing GCSE maths? What are you talking about? What would happen if there were no inflation? What would happen? Fuck me. Damn. Well, inflation happens as a result of... Inflation happens as a result of an increase in demand or supply, right? Or sorry, an increase in demand or a decrease in supply. So there would be less... Okay, so if you need inflation to be able to grow, hypothetically, right? And incentive... Okay, basically AD would be locked, right? AD would be locked in place. And then because AD is locked in place, you could say that... Low genuinely, I think we're going to go into econ for this one. It's one of these ones. Yo, brother, you joining thing? Okay, I haven't done any past papers for economics, so I'm literally just going to download like the most early one. Unless there's a particular one you want to do. You're joining up cold. You low-car genuinely maybe begin to enjoy maths. That's cold. I'm not doing maths right now, by the way. I sent you Discord, bro. Check your DMs. Is it on your DMs? No, I do OCR comp Sashi. It's Jabril. Oh, cool. What's up? Some point, yeah. Bro, all the maths you need to do, you can learn in like a few hours. Thank you for the follow. But yeah, if you need help with some stuff, I will help you. Yeah, I think I do. I recognize your name. 100%.
Oh my days, am I in?
Is that the boy? Is that the boy, Hazefa? It's not actually that hard. No, I didn't revise for enough. I revised like 3 hours. Alright, I think stream can hear you. They should be able to. Alright. Hazefa, would you like to introduce yourself to the
What'd you say? Oh, obviously, I think I'm the mod of the TikTok, obviously, but I'm also the best at econ. So
What's good?
First?
What's good?
The
What's
fuck
good?
invited this guy.
Hey,
Get on my Discord, man.
I'm keep-
Anyways. No,
Shall
I'm
let me
joking,
get the old
I'm
iPod?
joking. You're right, bro.
yeah, you.
Yeah. This is like an educational call, I can't lie. And also, you're not
Yeah,
allowed on my
no.
streams, as you know. So I'm gonna mute you, yeah?
Wait,
Alright.
just wait.
What?
I'm here to learn. I don't know what
Okay.
I'm gonna learn. I would actually like to interact. Please
Okay.
do not mute me.
Wallahi, you are not allowed to
I
talk on my
know.
stream anymore. And you know why. Bye-bye.
I know.
Anyways. What we're talking about. Conditional offers are so genuinely so weird. Yeah, I kind of get that. It makes sense though, I guess. I mean, I guess for like non-Oxford it makes sense, right? For non-Cambridge it makes sense. But for Oxford, Cambridge, I kind of get what you're saying. We ain't got beef. No, we ain't got beef. But you know why you can't talk on chat, bro. You ain't got filters, bro. Chill out. Did I have that as my background? No, I actually didn't. I had, oh, it was so awkward. I'll show you. Wait, hold up. I'm assuming there's nothing bad behind my monitor. Let me show you guys what my fucking background was, yeah? That was my background. So, like, it was like that sort of thing, like, and you know what was so awkward? It was genuinely so fucking awkward, bro. At the end of the interview, right, this is the third interview, right? I'm flopping it. Worst interview of my life. One of the worst interviews. Not that bad. But I was really struggling with the questions. I could barely make any ground. And she says, "Is that a Rick and Morty poster? My little brother loves Rick and Morty." Oh, I wanted to die! But we still got the offer, so I guess we're chill. Still.
No, it was the personality. It's a personality test, man. It is a personality test.
It was, yeah. We got the offer though. Thank you for the follow.
We will be going next year.
Yeah.
We are Oxford applicants.
Yeah, chill with that emerge, okay?
We are not all Oxford goers, but we are all Oxford applicants.
Yes. Paper script okay? Yes, I do. Okay, so is there any particular paper you would like me to do? What course? Maths. But we're doing some economics here on stream. I'm gonna change the title of the stream to be. Actually, nobody looks at the title before they click on it. Realistically.
No one needs a title, bro. No one needs a title.
What exam board you think has the best looking paper design? Ooh, I think EdXL.
I think Edexcel as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh no, OCR just looks terrible. Do you recommend paper screen protector? Yes, I have a glass one and then a paper one underneath. You're insane. Keep your head up. Yeah. Fucking hell, bro. My shit looks like I can see in the light. Okay. Anyway, so we should go for paper one EdXL. We're doing micro, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool. So 2017 is good, yeah?
Yeah, let me get out.
Okay, let's go. PMT is best friend. PMT's goated. I'm used to how AQA looks. Nah. Do you got to do essays for econ? Yes. Basically, mainly, yeah. What's my Oxford offer? A A. Okay. Would I get into TMUA 5.4? Okay.
How do I check?
Is that even what it's called?
What?
Is micro called markets and business behaviour? I've not even seen the front of a paper. Because normally we get them like, and they're like sort of different looking on the front. I think it's fine. Okay, anyways. Should we go? And low key, I haven't done like much revision for economics recently. I've been focusing heavy on maths because
What'd you get in paper one?
I got 83.
Oh yeah, I got 85.
Okay, this is my first past paper, kind of and not really. It's my first one that I've done in my spare time, but it's usually I do a lot of them in class. And and I've done obviously mocks and stuff. I usually get like around 80%, which is like near like an A, like a solid A, not A star though. Not yet. We're gonna go over it though. I've low-key forgotten a lot. Do you want me to share my screen with you, or how are we gonna do this? Should I make it in Miro or something, or do you think it should?
What, me?
Yeah. Or are you good?
Ooh. I can't lie. So I'm trying to log into Discord on my iPad. One sec.
Econ
I don't know what
solid-ish.
password.
Maths better. Adam. Any tips for revising maths year 12 here? Did I do fast track maths or normal? Normal. I think. Who taught my moderator Hazefa? Why is bro filling in the name? Maths better. Maths better. Center number 69420. Candidate number 6741. Oh no, we're going back to 2017, right? 1738. One of those ones. Do I like Trump? No, not really. Maths exam spec. Excel. Edexcel. Tips for rising maths. Learn all the content as fast as you can, like as early as you can. Use Bison Maths. I know his videos are kind of long, but they're worth it. Okay. So let's go. Original equilibrium price is... Okay. Okay, so... What? Wait. Okay, price is 25. Oh, it's me. Huh? Okay.
I'm back.
Yo. Wait, I'm so confused. I don't know why this is so confusing to me. Oh, okay, like, it's not... Okay, it's not going to tell me to fill it out yet. Great. Okay, calculate the new equilibrium...
Are you doing it on your iPad?
Oh, yeah, I'm doing it on my iPad. Congrats on my Oxford offer, thank you. Should I rewatch a whole Bison playlist? Just watch the recap video, and then you'll be chill. We'll make content at Oxford, Eton College. Yeah, I probably will. Yo, that's the Eton in my chat, by the way, again. That's so funny. Anything with GD, yeah. Yo, Josefa?
Yeah.
Okay, yo, Eton's in the chat, by the way.
Eton?
Yeah. That's so...
Oh my days.
Okay.
That is flipping crazy. That Eton College, like the actual...
Yeah, the actual... Chill with the glaze, man. Anyways. As a result
my bad. It's because I'm not going to go Oxford next, so...
No, you're getting into Oxford. Big boy Eton, yeah, for real.
Next year when I take a gap year.
First question, Brody. Yeah, I mean, the first ones are always supposed to be a bit tricky. What iPad do I got? I got the, like, original... Not the original. I got, like, the newest one, but the lowest spec one. Okay. Demand increased by 3,000...
Yo, are you actually going to teach this, or are you going to just, like, go for it?
I don't even know, man. I haven't done econ, like, at all.
Oh, you missed the question one, though.
What do you mean? That is... Is that not... It's going to tell you, like, fill it out. This is question one.
No. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. My bad.
I don't do econ on this easy. Okay, as a result of a successful advertising campaign, demand increased by 3,000 e-cigarette kits at all prices. Okay, so if it increased by 3,000 at all prices, then it should be...
Yeah, just put that into the...
Yeah, add 3, okay. New quantity demanded, so it should be... What, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Great, fine. What score does your friend average in econ? He averages like what, 86, 87, something like that.
No, I do occasionally do to the 90s, like okay. High 80s, yeah, basically high 80s. Yeah.
High 80s. This question, so yeah, it is weird. It goes against like the whole supply and demand thing I used to. At the same time, production costs fell, leading to an incorrect. What is this fucking question? This goes against like the whole supply and demand thing. It should not be a constant increase. Increase in supply of 1,000 e-cigarettes. Okay, so just add 1. So what? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yeah, that's so weird. And then okay. Use the last.
The section A questions are. It's like you should be getting at least 20.
Yeah, these questions.
Minimum.
Okay, so
wait, was that it for the question though?
Huh?
Was that it for the question?
Yeah, it's just calculate. That's the command word. Okay, research conducted in New Zealand estimate the cross elasticity of e-cigarettes to be 0.16. In response to changes in the price of tobacco, this implies that a 5% increase in the price of tobacco will cause the percentage change in demand for the
Oh no,
e-cigarettes
no,
to
no,
be
Adam,
what?
Adam.
Yeah.
Go back to question A. That's not the question. Sorry, I just looked at the question properly. That's not it. So go up, go to the thing that you drew, the table that you drew.
Yep.
So you're calculating the new equilibrium. So that
Yeah.
means now at what point does quantity demanded equal quantity
Oh
supplied?
shit. Yeah. Is that it?
That's
Wait.
the new equilibrium. Yeah. So it should be at the
Oh,
24
okay.
pounds.
Yeah.
So now you have to write new equilibrium is 24 pounds.
Yeah.
So new equilibrium price equals 24 pounds, and that should be. Yeah, that's 4 marks.
That is ridiculous. And then what? New EQ.
Yeah, but it was
Quantity
obviously very easy to mismark there.
equals 9. Is that -1? Do you think? That's what happens when demand and supply shift left with. Oh yeah, it's just a shift to the right or left. That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good point.
All right.
Okay.
Question B.
Question B. Okay. So, changing QD over printed QD. Oh, sorry, price. So this is of A, and this is of B, is equal to 0.16. Okay. Well, if 5% is the increase in change of price, so over 0.05. So let's just say X is equal to 0.16. Is this correct?
Just rearrange it. Just rearrange.
Yeah. Are we
And times it.
Yes. Okay.
No,
It's
sorry.
percentage. It's
Wait,
percentage. That's
Yeah,
it.
percentage. So 5%.
This ain't maths. Yeah, it's not. As a business
Not
student,
not 0.05. Just do 5%, so you don't get confused.
but is it 0.16%?
Yeah, no. 0.16 is the XCD, but because it's 0.
Yeah. Okay, I would get the same
it's not
answer if
that-
I did it this way though. It's still fine.
Yeah,
5 times.
what would you do? Divide it.
No, I would just multiply by 0.05 and then multiply by 100, so it's fine. This is all about comprehension. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I mean this beginning part is The later parts is just about doing.
Yo, Adam, we're on 50 views. Econ might be the math.
But it might be real. Even the big Eton. What do they call themselves? Big boy Eton. Yeah, Fez.
So,
Fez.
Adam, do you have your Discord open on a separate window?
I have 3 monitors. Yeah, I have it on my 3rd monitor.
Cool. I'm just gonna screen share my screen so I can have, yeah.
What? Oh, okay, fine.
How do I do
What's
this stuff?
opportunity
I
cost?
figured it out.
Opportunity cost is basically the benefit given up by the next best alternative, or from the next best alternative. So, if I have decided, okay, this is a very shit example. As a fat guy, obviously, I'm saying this. Okay, if I go to McDonald's and I'm allowed to get 1 meal, and I decide to get a Big Mac instead of 9 chicken nuggets, then my opportunity cost of buying 1 Big Mac is 9 chicken nuggets. Does that make sense?
Someone clip that. Someone clip that.
First. I'll clip it, bro. Fuck that. I don't care.
Someone clip it and post it.
Oh.
Adam explains opportunity cost.
Yes. I'm giving Adam AK-47 in that. I'm giving him a mod. Adam.
No. What?
You know those rappers that make those ad libs? You get it now. That's great. Cold. Yo, we're educating. W Adam, yeah, it's an Adam to Adam connection. Business is low level econ. Yeah, I mean this question is pretty easy. I don't know. I mean, it's just about writing structures and stuff, right? Okay, so between 20.
Adam, you can see my screen, right, on your screen.
Can I? My cousin's still in here, by the way. Yeah, I can see your screen. Cool.
Cool.
The what cost is called opportunity cost, Jabril. Yeah. Imagine if you made an ad-lib of you moaning. What the fuck is this,
No,
man?
thank you. No, thank you.
you.
We are not.
Yeah.
We are trying not to lose the.
Yeah. You do have my permission to make it an ad-lib for your raps, though, if you really need. If you have happened to acquire a clip already, but...
Next question. Oh, it's a very quantitative paper so far.
Don't turn off the comments. This idiot, man.
No, do not turn.
Yo, guys, can we flame Adam in chat? And Adam, yo, if you ban anyone crazy, it's crazy. So the other thing...
Do not ban Eton College, please.
Yeah, do not do that. So the other thing that you could get for the same price is the equivalent cost. No. So by taking one thing by taking one thing over another thing, you've lost out on something. That thing you've lost out on is opportunity cost. This is AS or A2. It's sort of both. More of a micro guy. That's actually my nickname. My girl calls me Micro. Don't know why. What you miss out on if you see, yeah, pretty much. Okay, cool. Trying to be a finance bro? Hell no, I want to be a mathematician. Buying chocolate means you can't buy petrol. Okay, cool. So, the average price of tea increased from $7.20 a kilo to $8.48 a kilo. Quantity purchased went from 97 kilos to 76. Okay, cool. So, firstly, we're assuming ceteris paribus. Opportunity cost is like your health, yeah, arguably. Bro, got it, Mike. Is it economics? Yes. Ain't this just percentage change? Yeah, but you need to know a formula for it. So, price elasticity. So, PED equals percentage change in QD over percentage change in price. So, this is basically like how fast or how much people react to a change in price. You do price. Oh, cool. Nice. I mean, it's pretty much, it's all sort of interlinked, right? What's in it for me? What's up, bro? Okay. So, we're going to do, increase from 7.20 per kilo to 8.48. So, we're going to do 8.48 minus 7.2 over, new minus old over old, right? 7.2. Great. And then on the bottom, we're going to do the percentage change in price. Wait, no. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked, boys. Oh, wait, let me actually put this back so I can just keep that line on the bottom. Okay, I actually did the formula wrong. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to do what? New minus old over old. So 76 minus 97 over 97. Bam, 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 bam. Is equal to... Formula upside down? Yeah, it was. Congrats on the Oxford offer, thank you. You think it's price over demand? Are you sure? I don't think so. Yo, Jose, for you here?
Yo.
This is correct, right? Is A level hard? Depends on what you do.
No, it's definitely, price is always on the bottom. Like universally, yeah, it's just always prices on the bottom.
For all these formulas, yeah. So we're gonna do a big fraction here. So we're just gonna put it into the calc sign for calculator. Bottom. Shit.
Yep.
7.2. 8.48. Yeah, I can hear myself by the way.
Yeah, I know. I accidentally put the volume up on my phone.
That is fine.
Because I do have the live right there.
So negative 1.2177. So it is equal to negative 1.22. I guess 3 significant figures seems about fine. Do you do the practice questions in your freeze? What practice questions? What app am I using for the past papers? I'm using Good Notes, and I'm getting the past papers from PMT. What year paper is this? I think this is the earliest one, which is 2017 or 18. I'm not sure.
17.
17, okay.
17 paper 1.
I'm going to get the mark scheme up just so I can refer to it if necessary. Okay, I'm not... Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is fine.
I mean, you do have me, to be fair, so...
Fairs.
We're all right so far, it's fine.
C? Wait, what? Is it multiple choice? Oh, yeah, fine. It was. Ignore me. Okay, is this stream on Sky Sports? Yes, it is. Okay, great. Okay, can I go through paper 1 again? I'm going to keep going through it.
Can you get Adam Warner's live on a dodgy fire stick?
Yes, you can. That is the answer. Do you practice questions in your freeze? For maths, sometimes. Can I bet on TS? Yeah, you'll bet that I get it wrong. Is it economics A level? Yes. Okay. Calculate the total change in revenue, in total sales revenue for UKT retailers between 2010 and 2015. Advise show you're working. Okay, so the original and the new, that's basically what we're going to do. So original is going to be, what is it? 7.2 times 96 million? Or no? Fell from, okay, yeah. 96, 123, 123. And U is equal to 8.48 times by 76123 Thank you for the follow, by the way. Yeah. You didn't understand question 1. What didn't you understand about it, N? I'm curious. So this is just literally, imagine a shift in the supply-demand curve, right? So their supply, okay, so they got decreased costs, which means that the supply shifts to the right. So that means at any point here, the price level will be lower, or they can produce more, basically, at any point. Also, people, I don't know, they got more addicted, so they could produce more, or sorry, they wanted more. So it increased the equilibrium quantity. Drop an A level, why not? Maybe. Oh, this is just the table. So they said it increased by 3,000. Quantity demanded increased by 3,000, and quantity supplied increased by 1,000. So that was basically it. Yeah. Cool. So okay, change equals. Well, let's just do this. So 8.48 times 76123 minus 7.2 times 123. Okay, change equals negative 46721234. Okay. So did I do original minus u? Or I did new minus original, which means that it would be a negative change? Fuck, wait. I didn't think. Econ A level hasn't so much math. No, it doesn't. Let's be so real, EO. This is barely maths. This is like GCSE foundation stuff. Yeah, we all done our mocks before Christmas. If you ask any question about my school and M has A for response, he goes to my school. Okay. So wait. I didn't fuck anything up, right? Yeah, so wait. New is... Okay, so take the new value. Take away the original. That means the original was bigger. So it's a loss. Yes. Great. My results... Oh, we haven't got them yet. We're getting them on Friday. I'm thinking A. Because I low-key got fried on a couple A-level maths questions. I messed up one thing in an integration question. And I lost 7 marks. Ridiculous. But whatever. Tamua, yes I did. I got a 5.4. Okay, so this should be...
I got 7.2. Personally, I got 7.2. But that's just me.
Wallahi, he didn't do TMUA.
I did TSA.
Okay, yeah, TSA
So
you did.
I did something beginning with the T and ending with the A.
Yep, with the same thing. 40s is still mad. Nottingham Oxbridge, yes. I will be going to the Nottingham part of that. Wait, Trent, you mean Nottingham Trent, right? No, not Nottingham, right? Full marks from the question he's talking about, by the way. Yep, Coldini. Yeah, Adam cooked in like one of the Quox fridge. That's cold. Okay, estimates for the demand for black tea in the UK suggests it's an inferior good. This implies it has a negative income elasticity of demand. Now, you might be wondering, what does that even mean, Adam? Well, I'll explain it to you. So, an inferior good is a good that when you become poorer or when your income goes down, you buy more of it. Right, so let's think of like Tesco's beans, for example, right? If you're really up on your money, then you're going to buy like Heinz beans or KFC or something like that, right? It's something better, like KFC beans, like high quality shit,
KFC
right?
Beans, yes.
If your money's you're buying KFC beans.
Audi beans. If you got money, you buy Audi beans.
Okay,
that's a joke, by the way.
Yeah, that is a joke, but you're fucking up the whole idea here, because imagine somebody's just understood it, and now yeah. Okay, so, if you've got money, you're buying KFC beans, or you're buying Heinz beans, or some high quality shit. If you've got no money, then you go in Aldi and you're buying their shitty beans, right? So, if it's an inferior good, if you make more money, you buy less of it. Therefore, its income elasticity of demand is negative. High quality, imagine KFC. I don't know, bro. I'm a low income guy, okay? I don't know what high quality is.
Just say Tesco's finest beans.
Tesco's finest beans. There we go. Fairs. Sorry.
That's tough.
The fuck is Dennis doing in here? What's up, bro?
What's up? Cause
Who's Dennis?
I'm playing Minecraft as well.
Yo, there's no Minecraft going on in here, bro. This is an educational live stream. Yeah.
Cool.
Cold.
Is it economics?
Yes, it's economics, which I made you drop, so maybe. Yeah. I'll be right back. I'll go for a piss real quick.
Yo, Adam, should I just take over? Do do do. Chat. Alright, alrighty. What's the next question? The thing is, you guys won't be able to see my whatever I'm saying right now, so do you know what it is? Okay. So the question is, calculate the total domestic cooking gas subsidy paid daily by the Indian government. Alright, while Adam's gone, I will just be telling you guys what a subsidy is. So a subsidy is any government grant given to boost supply. So, for example, the government regularly subsidize, for example, electric vehicle companies. So they might pay.
Back chat. What's good?
Yeah, Adam's back. So I just cover teachers for you.
Oh, thank you. What happened?
I just told them what a subsidy is.
Code. Yeah, great. Okay, I was gonna code. Okay. Cool. Let's go back. Expert tuition streams. Well, I'll tell you what. This is not an expert tuition stream. Okay, this is a mediocre transition.
What?
But
Speak for
we have a
you.
guest lecturer in today. The boy Hazefa in the chat. Oh, okay. I sprinted up. Why am I so fucking tired? I got fixed up. Okay. Total domestic cooking gas subsidy paid daily by the Indian government. Okay, so presumably, okay, so this is daily. Fine. We don't have to consider the times. Great. Okay, so, I'm thinking.
All right, I might be
Okay.
doing some
And draw
revision.
your own.
rather than
See, bro.
us.
Draw
See you
your
guys.
own subsidy. Draw your own subsidy graph next to it.
I know you forgot to do that.
Let's show my screen. Can you show my screen?
I
that
can.
possible?
I think that may be possible. Perchance. Okay, wait.
Holy, the takeover.
The aura. Okay, go on. Share it.
Alrighty.
Yo,
Not too watching the profile picture. I literally made that. I think in 20.
Yo, mate, see my cousin's profile picture, mate.
Alrighty. Yo, can you not see it?
Yo, Adam, I really want to go to maths lectures, but I don't know where to go or apply. Please help. So I applied to the Queen Mary Futures program, which I got into. One of them,
1 second.
probably my favorite maths lecture, was like really lucky. And when I say it was lucky, I mean it wasn't planned. I just happened to get it basically based on luck, right? So I'm watching Tom Rocks Maths right on YouTube. I love watching his YouTube stuff. They can see your screen, by the way, yeah.
Yeah, don't
So
worry.
I love watching his stuff on
You
YouTube.
crazy?
I love watching his stuff on YouTube, and all of that. So I was on his YouTube channel, and I see a community post, right? And I'm looking, and it says, "I am doing a free lecture at UCL today. Anybody can come. It's supposed to be for undergraduate mathematicians, but anybody can come, basically." And I was like, UCL is like very close to me. Why not? Let's go for it. Bro, I can do all this, but has he done EPQ? No, I haven't done EPQ. I do 4 A levels. I've got better things to do with my
We've done
time.
the EPQ, bro.
Bummer.
Anyways.
Okay, anyways, yeah, go on.
Okay, so with any graph, just draw your 2 axes, price and quantity, and then we're gonna draw 2 supply curves. That is not.
All right, Toby.
That is not. Okay.
Cold.
S, and then this one is gonna be S plus sub. So that's S plus subsidy. So that's your supply plus your subsidy. So when suppliers get paid extra money, they can boost supply, so supply shifts outwards. So that's that. That's with the subsidy. And then obviously demand.
Somebody just said that's not the cost and revenue diagram. Where's the maths at econ? Yeah, it's econ for a bit. What maths
so
exam? What example
this-
at Excel?
this- Theme 1 econ. Also, I'm doing this completely on the wrong
Yeah, it's fine.
question.
It's fine.
I just chose the question with the most space. Let me just move this. I can just move this.
Don't worry, Jose. If you're still goated in my books.
Don't worry, Adam. Thank you. Much appreciated. Okay, I'm just gonna draw it again. Oh no, I've got it here.
Fez. Econ, Loki, filler. Yeah, I know. Unless you're a goat like
Do it again.
Josefa.
Econ is still my filler, bro. Maths is my main subject. Because I'm doing Oxford Maths next year. I literally have a picture of my offer, by the way.
Yep.
Alrighty. Okay, so the effect of the subsidy, this is how you draw it. So you go to so this is your old equilibrium, right? So this is your original
What does equilibrium mean?
equilibrium. Equilibrium is can someone in the chat answer that?
This ain't class, bro. Well, it is
No,
class.
this is class, bro.
You know what
Someone
I'm
in the
saying?
chat can
Come
answer.
on, brother. Supply equals demand. Great. So it's a point where supply
Only.
equals demand.
So
Perfect.
this is the original equilibrium. That's why I've written PE
Sorry, one sec.
and then QE.
Somebody said to me, Adam, did you go to any summer schools? Yes. I went to a Cambridge maths summer school. It was called Maths from the Underground. I applied for it really late, and I just happened to. Well, I applied like the day before. My teacher gave a reference for it, and I got into it. It was really fun. It was super fun. How'd you get a 5.4 in Tamil, but your other math stats are really high? I only revised for it for like 2 weeks, because I didn't really care about it. Yeah, I didn't really care about Tamil, because I knew I just had to get 5 to get into Warwick, so I wasn't going for 9 or anything. Got to show the government cost of the triangle. Okay, cool. Economics is so easy, trying to make it look hard. Yeah. Sutton Trust,
I mean,
no,
it
it was directly through
trying to make it
Cambridge.
look hard,
Directly
we're
through
just
Cambridge. King's
doing
College,
it for
Cambridge. Naturally smart, arguably. Hawk Tamil, yes. Total quantity in goods and services a consumer is willing to and able to pay at a given price. Isn't that what demand is? Okay, anyways, go on.
Alrighty. So and then we're gonna also do the new equilibrium of Q1 P1. So the price goes down. Always illustrate your shifts because you can get a lot of marks for that. And then so this is your new equilibrium with the subsidy, right?
Application marks, by the way.
Yeah. So because it's just.
You look like the guy from Stranger Things. Thanks, Sento. Thank you for the follow.
Anyways.
Is that a follow on Twitch? No, I don't think so. Maybe.
And then to find then we're gonna go up from.
NT, oh my bad, NT.
We go up from the new equilibrium for the subsidy, and then we get. This is the. Can anyone tell me in the chat?
What do you mean by this? What are you pointing at? I can't tell.
Like, what does this show us when we do this?
Yeah, go on. Someone says consumer surplus. I don't agree with that.
Yeah, so we can split the two things into what thing? So P and C. That's producer and consumer surplus.
Shit. Wait, even I suck, bro. Oh, I'm cooked. Why am I talking? This is why we got the experts in for economics.
So that's. What was the cost of the subsidy?
Adam said he doesn't agree with that. Yeah, maths. Bro, I haven't revised econ in forever. I've been focusing so heavy on maths because I had the Oxford stuff going on. I gotta focus on my fillers now. But this guy's the goat of econ, so he knows. It's asking for how much the daily subsidy is. That's what I thought it was. I thought it was the cost.
Yeah, so the cost of that. So that's just the regular subsidy diagram. And
apparently
the cost of the subsidy.
According to a chatter, that producer surplus isn't right.
Is it not? Wait, it might be CP, to be honest.
It could be. Perhaps a core pure?
It could
core
be.
pure mathematics.
What does the person in the chat think it is?
32, what do you think it is? Yeah, C is the top. Consumer is the top.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. That was my mistake, to be honest. Good catch.
Good catch, guys. We were testing you, by the way.
Yeah, that was actually a test, to be honest.
There's his AFA. And let me join in. I'm the best at econ currently. Why is he lying? You're up there. You're up there, Hamza. Chill with that. Hamza.
Very.
How do you calculate it? N asked, how do you calculate it?
Alright, so the total cost of the subsidy is, if we can see, so the government has...
Dash, this is an NXL question, by the way. Sorry, I know I keep butting in. I've got to answer chat.
That is not... That's totally fine.
Okay, cool.
To be honest. 1 second. I don't know why my pen's not working right now.
So how do we calculate the cooking gas subsidy paid by the Indian government?
Alrighty, so the cost of the subsidy is this whole box that I'm going to do in red.
Great point.
So that's the benefit. So the benefit to the consumer plus the benefit to the producer. So that's the cost of the subsidy for the government.
So just to add to this, when we think of a surplus, we are thinking of the difference in the amount you're willing to pay and the amount you actually pay, right? So our surplus here is measured in terms of money, right? And if the consumer's gaining surplus and the producers are gaining surplus, it's not coming from one another. Well, that is what the government is putting in for the people to win, right? So that's how it works, basically.
Was I right before with the producer and consumer labels?
I think it's CP. I think it's fine. Is consumer
the
surplus
thing is-
above because it's a subsidy?
No,
to
no, no.
firms?
Yeah, Adam. I am right. I knew because I remember subsidies is PC.
Okay, fine, great.
Yeah,
CP
C-
is
'cause,
tax.
yeah,
Yeah,
CP.
yeah.
Yeah.
W poster.
So
Thank
whoever
you.
that is in chat, just ban them. I can't lie, 'cause
Yeah.
they've just thrown me off my game.
32, you're getting
Like,
banned, by the way.
It's all.
No, I'm
calm,
joking.
it's
I'm
all
joking.
calm,
I'm
it's all
joking.
calm.
I
It's
don't
all
want to
calm.
be that guy, but the surpluses are still wrong. It's the same guy, by the way. I hear it still. Okay. I might be waffling, but I'm pretty sure he was right. Okay. Is consumer
Alrighty.
surplus above because there's subsidies? No, it was wrong. It was wrong.
It was wrong.
It's flipped
Sorry.
for tax and subsidies because I like the opposite.
Yep.
Consumer above price line and below demand curve. Producer is above supply curve and below price line. I low-key did not interpret any of that. I just read it. So, yeah, man.
I mean, yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Something like
I'm
that.
pretty
Yeah.
sure I'm correct.
Isn't producer
Yeah.
surplus above because the subsidy is going to the firm? I remember it econ.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember it econ
Yes,
plus
yes,
DAL. Oi, fairs. CS and PS are triangles. It's CS is attached to demand and PS is attached to supply, top and bottom.
No. So it's not surplus. It's a benefit to consumers from the subsidy. So that's a different thing. So
Yes.
it's different things.
Yes.
We're not talking about surplus right now. We're talking about benefit of the subsidy, and then the P plus C is equal to the cost for the government. So now, if we look at this graph,
Holy
what is our
bit rate.
P plus T?
Yo, your live stream is cooked right now.
Yo, what just happened? 1 second. I think I was moving around a bit too quick.
Okay, no, I'm going to stop watching. I'm going to start watching. Wait, it might be that. Yeah, it's fixed. It's fixed. What paper is this? 2017. Paper 1.
2017 paper 1.
Ask you a question. What's the point of this? I don't know. We're just going through stuff. What's the server?
Yeah,
It's my personal server. It's in my diagram. Diagram confused you. Oi, fairs. What confuses you about this, N?
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna
if we
look
do
at
the
my
same red box, it's this whole thing.
Great.
And then, if you wanted to, so what I did, I just broke it down for people that don't know what like subsidy are. It's just a bit of quick revision for myself as well, if anything.
I thought we were looking at the surplus, but now he's saying it's about gain. Chat has said.
Calculate the. So we're not talking about surplus. We're talking about the benefit, because if you're looking at surplus, that's a totally different topic to subsidies. Subsidies, you look at producer and consumer benefit, not surplus.
What's the difference, if you don't mind? Or what is the benefit?
Okay, so benefit is how much lower of a price are paying. So that's the consumer benefit, and then producers is how much lower of a price are producers like supplying for. Do you know what I mean?
Code.
It's like we're not looking at surplus is the difference between what a producer could sell for. So, for example, if I did like a really quick supply and demand diagram and then split it, is this and this. That's the two surpluses, which is okay. That's a whole totally different concept. That's surplus. What the difference between what they're willing to pay or what they're willing to sell for, and then this is cost.
Thank you for the follow.
So this whole box is what we're trying to find. So Adam, do you have your calc?
I do have my calc. Yeah, sure. So I'm doing 1023 minus 455 multiplied by something, right?
Multiplied by
1.8.
1.8. Yeah.
1 sec, I did that wrong. I low-key multiplied the whole thing. I got 1022.4. 1022.4.
Yep. All right. So now you can see that we obviously have this. So now our diagram is very relevant, by the way. So now it's very easy to interpret.
Is there anything else we need to do? I feel like we need to do. We have to say million, right? So 1022.4. Wait, what? That doesn't seem right. Wait.
Should be right.
Oh, it's in rupees, right? So how much is a billion rupees approximately?
No, we are right. So no, it's 1022.4 million. That's fine. It doesn't matter about rupees.
Okay.
You can just 1022.4 million.
Yeah, I'll put rupees anyway. Can't hurt. Okay.
Yes. Doesn't matter.
Okay, cold. So I've gone back to my screen. Yeah, is that chill?
Yeah, that's chill.
Okay.
And,
next part.
Yeah, just show the.
So it says now calculate the percentage share of the total subsidy received by consumers and producers. So don't forget, right? So according to what Jose showed us earlier, which is very helpful, we're gonna have P on the top and C on the bottom, right? So, out of 1022.4, right, we're gonna have for consumers. 526 minus 455 multiplied by 1.8. Over.
No, so percentage share of the total subsidy received. So you just do.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do over the whole thing, yeah.
526 minus 455 over 1023 over 45 minus 455.
Wait, what?
Sorry. So 526 minus 455.
Yep.
Over 1023.
Oh, I see. We don't need to because we're just gonna multiply top and bottom by 1.8. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Over 1023.
Minus 455.
Where? Minus 455.
Minus 455 because that's the subsidy cost, right? What's the percentage of the total subsidy?
What?
You don't want the whole.
Wait, is this not correct?
Minus 455. Minus 455.
It's minus 455 inside the bracket on the top, right?
No, on the bottom. 1023 minus 455.
Yes.
Because that's the quantity of the subsidy, right?
Great point. Yeah, great point.
And then that's going to be the percentage of the consumer surplus.
Okay, so let me do this. So, 526 minus 455 over 1023.
Adam, someone asked for the full question. Zoom out for the full question.
Yeah, sure thing. So this is basically what we're on right now. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that properly.
Do you wanna drop the Chris Griffin Osu's thing a little bit down?
Alright, fine, a little bit.
Drop it a little bit down so you can see the paper at least.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. Perfect.
Okay, cool. Okay, so for consumers,
it's gonna be. It should be 12.5.
Yes, equals
12%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then for producers, it'll be 100 minus 2.5 open bracket percent equals 87.5%. I think, to be fair, in an exam, as somebody with extra time especially, I would verify that by doing it. Just to represent.
Should we just do it for a bit of argument's sake?
Yep, sure thing. So I'm gonna, instead of having 526 minus 455, I'm going to do 1023 minus 526.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7/8. So it does add to 1. Ligma. What does ligma mean, bro? I've never heard that one before, and I'm under the age of. I can't say that. That was a bad joke. That could get me banned.
Under the age of 20, 25.
Yes. Ligma bulls. Oh my god. No! I would have never expected that ever.
Alright, one effect of the subsidy.
Okay, so so we're trying to increase something, right? So public good provision. Okay, so I want you guys tell me what you think and why, right, for this. So I think I'm gonna think of this from an elimination thing here. So tax revenue. Well, if it's a subsidy, it will technically increase tax revenue, but no, not really, because you're losing more in government spending. And also, you don't pay taxes on subsidy money, because then the government's just taxing itself. That's useless, right? So tax revenue is not it. Public good provision.
It's not public good provision.
I was gonna say, so it's not a public good. So these are not public goods. Public goods are things that are non-excludable and non-rivalrous. Well, you can stop somebody from using your gas, and there is a rivalry because one person using gas means somebody else will not get it. Essentially. Okay, consumer surplus, bro. Okay, I think that could make sense. Yeah, market failure. You're not increasing market failure, right? So, consumer surplus.
Yeah.
Logical. Best for A-level maths. Buy some maths on YouTube and PMT. Public good, cooked. Yep, consumer surplus. Yeah, good stuff. Increasing availability. It's A. What is?
Holy.
My mum said go to NASA. Chill with that. Did you guys just hear about the explosion at Oxford Uni? The maths and science area is destroyed. There's no way that's real. Yeah, okay, it's rage baiting.
Is it time for a bit of cost and rev diagram, Adam?
Oh, yuck. Yes, it is. Okay. Draw a cost and revenue diagram to show the likely impact in a reduction of sales. The likely impact of a reduction in sales of construction equipment on JCB's profit. Well, let's just bring it in. Okay, so the maths in the subsidy question needs to be gone over. What do you need to understand about it? Okay, so it's less of a maths thing.
Do this?
It's more of an area thing. Oh, I'm showing my screen right now. Do you want me to show yours?
Oh, yeah. It's your choice, to be honest. It's the same thing, isn't it?
I would like to do mine. I can't lie, because I might get it wrong. I know you need to do this.
Yeah, just do it. Just do it. It's just a diagram, to be honest.
Okay, so cost and revenue diagram. So we're gonna have price and quantity. It's a microeconomics diagram, so we always have price and quantity. Okay, now we're gonna have a Nike tick. Okay, I don't know why it came out like that. Should be curvy. The fuck is this song?
Adam, relax with the swearing. We're not trying to get locked off.
Okay, good point. Good point. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's 1023 minus. Yeah, so the whole thing is going to be this whole section here, right? Now, if we're considering the whole thing, if you were to multiply by 1.8, you would multiply the top and bottom by 1.8, which would just be multiplying by 1. Have I watched the new Avatar movie yet? No, I haven't. Please don't be a Taj Mansour reference. Okay. So. Bam, we're going to have our average cost curve. So we have our marginal costs and our average costs. Great.
Holy, that is a very good drawing of the both costs.
Cool. So now we're going to have 6% fall in revenue. So we're going to have our average revenue curve. So we're going to have this first one here, which looks curved.
Do you want to do a bit, Adam? I'd say make your diagram bigger so it's just easier for you to draw everything.
What do you mean? Like
just make everything big, just blow up the diagram. Yeah, so just use the poop thing and just make it all bigger.
I actually don't know how to do that. Wait. Why turn into Peter Griffin for a second, mate? First. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, there you
go. Which paper is this? This is 2017 paper 1. Okay. So now we have our original revenue. So initially we have average revenue and marginal revenue at this point, right? Now I'm going to okay, great. So they are making at least some profit initially. And then I'm going to show a shift in average revenue and marginal revenue. So AR1 and AR2. I feel like maybe it's a bit too far in.
Do you want to just redraw all your lines? Just make them a lot smaller, and put your marginal costs a lot closer to the line, to the axis. So it's not.
I think it'll be
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay, bam. So we're gonna have MC1. Oh, sorry, no. Ignore me. Marginal revenue 1. Maths is Monopoly, no? Yes, it is. MAT has been scrapped, did you see? Really? I've already done it, so it doesn't matter. I got a conditional offer from Manchester, but that'd be bad. MR goes to the negative part a bit. Not necessarily. It doesn't really matter. I'm not going to lose marks for it.
I mean, it doesn't. As long as you're showing a fall in revenue, then that's all they want to see.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got we're gonna assume that because it's a firm, it's going to be profit maximizing, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw. So we have our marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, right? Which is where profit maximizing is. There's no fucking way they're using Tamua instead, right?
Yo, Adam.
Sorry.
Gonna get locked off. We are gonna lose all the viewers.
MAT changed to TMU. You're BSing me, right?
MR and AR are shifting because
What?
it says in the question fall in revenue. Holy, MAT is getting scrapped.
Holy! Wow. Just think, I would have been cooked if they would have done that last year. Bro. Inshallah, Bismillah, they made it 2 separate ones. Because I swear, I wouldn't have gone to Oxford if they used my TMUA score. Oh my god. Wow.
I mean, it is what it is. Game's game.
It did feel weird. It did feel weird that Oxford is the only uni in the world that uses MAT. It feels weird to have their own test, but still.
But it's also Aura, to be fair.
We were the last match sitters. We have Aura. That is correct. That is absolutely correct. That's crazy. That feels illegal. It doesn't feel right. That doesn't feel right. I feel icky knowing that. It just doesn't feel right. Really. That is so odd. End of an era. Really it is. Like, I'm not going to lie. This feels wrong to me. I actually genuinely feel a little bit sick in my chest when I see Oxford and Tamua on the same page. It just doesn't look right at all. MAT is just so iconic. What helped me get into Oxford other than grades? Contextual factors, personal statement, mat score, interview, aura, all of that stuff.
I think your mod had a slight impact. Your mod, maybe.
My mod, yes. My mod being in here. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have gotten him. He also recorded my reaction. That is crazy. I got 5.4 in the TMUA, so I would have been fried. I wouldn't have got in. That's crazy. Wow.
Game's game. Game is game.
This feels sad. I feel sad. I got to sit it. I feel really sad knowing that. I don't know why. I sat it. I genuinely feel unhappy. Like, there's a little tears gonna start rolling down my face. It's quite odd. It's quite odd. Odd. Send roses. Oh, this guy's trying to increase my revenue. Anyways. Wow. You know how much effort I put into the mat? No, they're shutting it off. End of an era. AMA's asked me anything. Oh.
Anyways, keep it stepping though. Let's finish this diagram.
Yeah, cool. You're revising whilst I'm...
I mean, it is what it is.
It's what it is, yeah. I am on a live stream. What course are you holding an offer for? Maths. That is so weird. I'm sorry. I know you keep like... Oh, this is genuinely so weird.
Did you cut them?
I'm not cut. I didn't cut.
Oh. Someone said, please go through the maths in the subsidy question.
1 sec. I'll go for it in a sec. Wow. That feels so wrong.
Ivan, AR and MR shifted because it says it in the question.
Okay, yeah, so, sorry.
It said experienced a 6% fall in revenue, so that's why you've done it.
Yep, great. Okay, so, I'm going to show my old and new profit. I'll go over the maths in a sec from that other question.
Yo, Adam, look what N just said.
Oh, wow. It's quite beautiful. Quite beautiful. What is the large data set and do I have to memorize it? You don't have to memorize it. You need to know what it's about. You need to understand it. You need to know about some key events in it. So the large data set, it's an Excel spreadsheet that's made by Edexcel, which is linked to your A-level maths stuff, it basically includes a bunch of information about a bunch of countries. So you have stuff like
A bunch of places in the UK, not
yeah,
countries.
yeah, no countries.
Is there not places in the UK?
No,
Like
Hong
towns in
Kong,
the UK?
Jacksonville, and Sydney, I think. Or no,
Oh, yeah.
Melbourne. Some place in Australia. It's like 3 different countries, 4 different countries. You're gonna get like a 5 marker on it probably. Beijing, yes, Beijing. My bad.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, 5 places.
Yeah.
No, I think it's
That's why I'm
5.
good at econ and not at maths.
Maths on the subsidy question. Wait 1 sec, bro. Chill out. I'll do it in a sec. Okay, so we're gonna show the shift. So, to find the price at a given find the profit maximizing profit or cost and revenue and all of that stuff, you're basically gonna take the marginal revenue being equal to the marginal cost. You're gonna bring it up to the average revenue curve. Bam. You're gonna make a line to the left. Okay, now we're gonna go up to the cost curve. Yes. Okay, bam. And now they're making normal profit. Wait, are they? No, they're not. Ignore me. Okay, so now this is their profit. Oh, sorry, this is their revenue. And this is their, or we'll call it Rev 2. And this is our cost 2. So now, if we look at our average cost curve, which is constant, right? If you look here, this is the point. So at this point is where we're producing for profit maximizing, right? And bam, you can see here that the cost is higher than the revenue. So they're making a loss now because of this change. I love econ. Are we allowed to join the call, by the way? Are they? Ooh.
I'd say not just for this live, like just to keep consistency.
Huh?
Not for this live, just to keep like.
Yeah, not right now. Maybe later or something like that. But yeah, right now we're just trying to yeah, just a little bit of econ. Maybe at some point. Okay, and now we're gonna do for the other one, for the original, right? So we're gonna come up to this what is it? So our average revenue is here, and our average cost is here. So we're gonna have Rev 1 and cost 1. So now here I will show. So our original profit we'll call it A. And our final profit is, so profit from A to a loss B. Okay. Don't think it's A-level maths yet, not right now. I was doing it earlier. You need to show the original reg and code because it says impact. Yes. 4 marks, 4 minutes. I have extra time, but yeah. It would normally take me much shorter.
Yeah, obviously if he's not explaining it, he'll just do it in a flash.
Yeah, I've just found out that one of my favourite maths admissions tests has been cancelled. Although I did do it. So it is alright, I just genuinely still I know it sounds like a minor thing, like, oh, it's just about the
Did Daniel Webster just follow you?
No, he's been following me. I think he unfollows, refollows because it gets him like another notification thing. Thank you for the follow.
He's such a neek. Do you know
Yes.
Daniel Webster? Genuinely.
Yeah, sociology utes, man. Anyways. That's weird. I feel like I gotta send that to the group chat and my phone is just not on me. Where's my phone? Oh, it's behind me. Okay, I forgot. I'm doing a time lapse. Somebody said, how often do I do maths lives? Daily. Saki, yeah, so you could either do... He's on the phone, I've got bind for them. It's Zafa. Yeah, so you could either show it as like 2 separate graphs or you could show it as 1. Okay, next up. In India, JCB has a strong brand image and 50% share of the market for construction equipment. This means the construction equipment in India is likely to have a low level of what? Contestability, private ownership, specialization or concentration. I would say contestability. The factors affecting contestability are brand loyalty. You have barriers to entry. Oh wait, no. This
Yeah,
is...
so basically, high. If one company has high brand loyalty, then it's going to be very hard to enter the market. So
Yeah.
there's a low level of contestability. So that means it's going to be hard for new companies to enter the construction market.
Oh, Tamid, you got 72% on Future Funk. You'll get there eventually, bro. You'll get there eventually. That guy did pay me 20 quid, so I do have to respond directly to all of his messages forever, in perpetuity. Proud of me, thanks, mate. Yeah, so it's mainly the brand loyalty stuff. Also the large market share, basically means that they're going to get economies of scale, which means that because they're so large, their costs are able to become lower, right? They're able to have, great marketing. They're able to have great managers who optimize everything. They can purchase in bulk. They have purchasing power, monopsony, you could call it, that sort of stuff. So because of that, they're going to have better... so EOS is going to be low. Or, sorry, high.
So they can put like price compares out the market because they have such low costs.
Yeah,
So
Bison...
they can like charge a lot lower price.
Yes. Did I find Uplearn useful? I find it amazingly useful. Jesus Christ, I promise AQA is easier than this waffle. It's not that bad. I mean, to be fair, it's economics, right? These are 5 markers. I'd probably be done with this whole section in like 15 minutes. Realistically, if I'm not yapping with my boy and having fun and all that stuff. And explaining everything. I would probably be done in like 10 seconds. I think we actually did this question in one of our mocks, which is like a mixed paper.
Yeah,
but still.
I think it was like an IP we had this.
Yeah, something like that.
Alright, this is easy. Okay, just everyone should know that.
Oh, sorry, anyone wants to do the subsidy question? We have been like sort of airing him.
Sorry, my bad. And
would you like to explain it real quick while I pull myself a glass?
Do you want to just show me? You want to just show me my screen? Then I'll just do it because you already wrote on yours, right?
Yep.
1 second, let me share screen again. It turns off after I've not done it for a while.
Somebody said rent. Yeah, more people asking for the subsidy question. We'll go over it, or we'll get Hazefa to go over it. Hazefa, we can't see your screen, by the way.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm just sharing. 1 second. It should be up. Approximately in a couple seconds. Has it not worked? It does say stop sharing.
Stop sharing and then reshare, I guess. Oh wait, no, I just wasn't. I didn't click the button. I'm an idiot.
Oh. Good times. 1 second.
There we go. Okay. Yep, we're on.
Alrighty.
Do you mind doing it on the side so it's like so the viewers can see it better? Like rotating your iPad.
Yeah.
Beautiful. There we go.
Alrighty, so if we look at this question, I'll just do it up here. I'll do different colors for you guys because I'm so amazing. This is a very small C. If you guys can see that C, I'll just do different color highlighters. So you guys can see that. And then blue for producer. Okay, so consumer to producer. So I'm gonna do the math. Just say in the chat if you guys don't understand. So for consumer, which is the first question.
Okay, what's the question asking again? Let's just remind the chat real quick.
Yeah, calculate the percentage change share of the total subsidy received by consumers. So total subsidy received by consumers. So we already figured out the red section, which was...
Oh, someone said do the one above that. Do A.
Sorry, do A.
This is econ. Yeah, this is econ right now.
This one.
What? No, I think he meant go up. He meant do A of that question.
Oh, this one. All
Yeah.
right, alrighty.
Great.
Okay, so this was the answer. I'll just show you how to do the working out. So I'll just rub that out for now. And we'll get to the answer again. Okay, so the total cost of the subsidy is this total red section. So the whole box, the whole highlighted box is the cost of the subsidy. Because that's what the government's paying to both producers and then... So that's what the government's paying, and then the green highlighted is the benefit to consumers. The blue highlight, well, it looks kind of purple now. The blue highlighted is the benefit to producers. So as we can see, that is from here to here. So from 1023 to 455. And then, so it's literally just calculating the area of that box. So, literally this.
Would I take maths, economics, computer science, further maths? Hazefa takes maths, economics, and English literature. Hazefa is the guy doing the question right now.
What is the? Let me get my calc up. That is going to be
Fries. All right,
568. Is that 568?
Looks like it. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so 568. So we're just going to really break it down, and then 568 times 1.8 equals.
Thank you, Koi Wolves, for the follow, by the way. Sorry, I haven't been thanking followers. I appreciate it.
1022.4, and that's in millions, by the way, because as you can see here, it's in millions. So it's times 1.8 million. So that's a million, and then that's in rupees, but it doesn't really matter what currency it is, so that's fine. So 1.0224 million. I'm just gonna put it that way
Follow
so you
the
guys can see your
structure.
answer.
My teacher always gives me like 3 out of 15 or 4 out of 15 marks in the 15 markers, because she says I don't follow the structure. Is structure that important? I think it definitely is. Hazefa, why don't you say your piece on that?
I think structures is so important because you need to know where you're getting your marks. So let's say you've done amazing paragraph on just knowledge, like you've just said all the knowledge you know, which could all be correct, but if you've not got application and analysis, at least at some level, then you won't be able to get the higher levels because obviously they're banded together.
Yep.
So you could have amazing knowledge, but you need to be consistent throughout. So that's why structure is really important, because whatever structure the teachers give you, you'll at least be getting each one of each. Like you'll get a piece of each thing, so analysis and application as well.
So I'd like to know also that the within economics, the marks are given based on like bands. And so if you have one really good answer and one really shit answer, they will mark you as being sort of mid, right? As far as I know, or maybe even lower. Like, basically, they want to see that you're consistently good over your 2 paragraphs. So if you're bad at one and you're really good at the other, then it will look bad for you. So if you follow your structures, then you're ensuring that that doesn't happen. Also, I don't know, structures, like, they make it more efficient. I know if you don't give a substantiated judgment, for example, you'll be locked at 19 marks out of 25. It locks you out of a tier. So just make sure you follow the structures. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, go on.
So now B and C, right? So, well, B and 2. Anyways, so the percentage share of the total subsidy received by consumers. So as we highlighted before, the green is the consumers. So that's going to be 526 minus 455. And that's going to be over. So what percentage of the total box? Because that's the cost of the subsidy. So we remember the total box was 1023 minus 455. And if you just put that in your calculator,
You should get 1 over
you should
8.
get 1 over 8. And then because it's a percentage, 1 over 8 as a percentage, that's 12.5%. That's the answer.
Hey, I'm on stream, Malik. You alright?
Yeah.
Do you want to come in? Would you like a sip of my Pepsi? It's a nice shirt. You got a Minecraft shirt. Do you want a sip?
You know that Tesco in...
I do think that Uncle Adam is speaking to
I can't say.
your nephew right now.
Tesco. I just forgot.
Okay, that's a hug. Alright, see you later.
Bye. When did you go to the bill?
Alrighty.
I'll be off streaming probably half an hour. Alright, love you. Okay, anyways. Just needed help. Okay, cool. Thank you for the follow, by the way, Russian person. Okay.
And then producer, it's just going to be literally the same thing. So
just
if
do
we
1
look
minus
here,
that, 1 minus that, 1 minus that. Just say that. It's easier.
Yeah, because he was confused, I'll just do this. It would literally take the same amount of time. And then we just do across the whole total box again. And that should be equal to 87.5. And Adam's right, you could just do 100 minus the first answer because, yeah, so it's 87.5%.
Is that correct?
Yep.
Yeah. Because that's like 500 over 600 or something like that. It doesn't feel like it's that extreme.
Yeah,
Okay, it's equal. It's fine.
it is very extreme, to be honest. Like, look at the thing; it's quite large.
Yeah. No, I get that. But that, yeah, it's fine. It didn't intuitively.
All right. Did you want? Okay, so I just do C.
Yeah.
So it's consumer surplus because market failure. You do not want to. The government wouldn't want to increase market failure, so it can't be market failure. Public goods is something that's both non-rivalrous and non-excludable, and a gas cylinder is not non-rivalrous because only one cooker can use it at one time. Like multiple people's cookers can't use it at the same time. That's that's already gone.
Where's the
And then tax revenue, a subsidy is actually you're not getting any tax. Like the government are not getting any tax. They're actually giving out money, so it's not going to increase tax revenue. So it's not that. So the only one it can be is consumer surplus, which makes sense because a subsidy would mean there's more quantity of a good thing, so that would increase consumer surplus.
Close the door. Thank you for the follow.
Alrighty.
Saki said, "Do you want to see my paper?" I will give that a look real quick. This is probably like a whole fucking like virus. It's probably like a inside PDF virus, something like that. Oh wow.
Adam, you took it back to your screen, right?
So we're just posting everybody's like whole life story now. I'm joking. I sound like an arsehole when I say that. I don't mean like that. I mean like that's a lot of paper, bro. 3 papers. Damn. A star though, Fez. I might look at it at some point. I think we just finished section A and then I'm gonna go speak to my nephew for a bit. Maybe we can go over some like plans for section B. Can you do the
I'll say let's
1997 paper next?
Section A, we still got what? One question left. Yeah, let's finish section A. Call it a day,
Okay,
man.
which of the following is a fixed cost to Starbucks? Well, what's a fixed cost, right? Fixed. What does the word fixed even mean, right? Let's ask that. Well, a fixed cost is something that doesn't change when you increase production, right? So, production up...
No, not production. So, doesn't change according to how much you sell is the easiest way to explain.
Okay, yeah, fine. But, like, okay. The amount that you pay does not change if you make more of it. So, if I'm going to make double the amount of coffee, right, I'm going to need double the amount of milk. I'm going to need double the amount of packaging. I'm going to need double the amount of actual coffee beans. I'm going to need probably double the amount of machines to make it. But a fixed cost, well, maybe not machines, but a fixed cost like rent, right? If I'm in my bedroom and I want to make 1 computer versus 2 computers, I'm going to need to double the amount I spend on computer parts. I'm going to need to double the amount of money I spend on my wages or the wages of the person making it. I'm going to need to double the amount I spend on thermal paste, for example. But the actual room, that doesn't really change with the amount I make. So I would say rent is a fixed cost to Starbucks in this context. Damn, yeah, for real. Explain the difference between fixed costs and variables. Okay, well I've just done that. So fixed cost. Don't.
But also, you need some application in this. I think.
Okay.
I mean, I would just recommend adding it to be honest, because just in case. Actually, explain you don't need it, but yeah. But just give an example anyway for the chat.
Okay, so for example, rent, right? Variable costs.
Changes that costs that do change according to output.
Costs that do change with output. Great. So for example, milk. Okay, anyway, so that's section A over with. Oh wait, no, it's not. Great, why am I talking? Okay, calculate the profit in pence for a cappuccino drink. I'm assuming I don't need to know what a cappuccino includes. Okay, no, it's on here. Okay, so profit. Is this business? Is this economics?
Okay. Yeah. So what's it called? Profit. What's the profit formula? Just write the profit formula first. So price minus cost is the profit formula.
Yep. Great. So I'm a bit confused here actually, because it does say it just does have profit as a percentage here. So
yeah. So you just do that. Yeah, you literally just use that.
So 13% times 2.27, if I'm correct. Okay. Is equal to, well, 0.13 times 2.27 is equal to 29.5 pence, or 0.30 pounds. So it seems good.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. The mark scheme accepts anything between 29 and 30, so it's not that deep.
Okay, great. Anyways, this was quite fun. I think we should do this again soon. But for now, I think I'm gonna hop off stream because my nephew's in, and I want to say hi to him and spend a bit of time with him. So yeah.
Yeah. Good stream.
Thank you for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. See you guys.
Follow Adam.
Oh yeah,
follow
follow me. Give gifts if you want. You know, donation in my bio. You know, you see that. AMA, ask me anything. You can't ask me anything now though, because I'm going off stream. Bye. Say bye. Yeah, whatever. No, sure.
Oh yeah, my bad. Bye.
It just cut off.
Yeah,
Oh
my
yeah,
bad.
it cut off. Oh wait, no, I'm still streaming on Twitch and stuff. I've just realised.
Oh, you stream on Twitch?